patients that I see with hip arthritis tend to have groin pain. So tend to have pain that's sort of deep within the hip, in the groin area. But hip arthritis pain can present differently. Some people have more pain on the lateral side of the hip or in the buttock area or in the front of the hip. Some people even have pain that shoots down the leg to the knee. So there can be some variability there. And some people have a touch of all of that. So I do definitely see a variety of presentations of hip arthritis pain. Regardless, the treatment options that we have for hip arthritis include things like physical therapy to build up strength around the hip and take stress off of the hip. Anti-inflammatory medications can be helpful. Certain types of injections can be helpful as well. Things like cortisone injections or biologic injections can be helpful. If we've exhausted those things, then we get into the realm of talking about surgery. But really everything that I do for hip arthritis, the purpose is to get you back on your feet, doing the things you want to do, whether that's the non-operative things or the operative things.